In this video, let's quickly go through the image guidance options that are there in Leonardo. It's a simple but wildly underrated area of Leonardo AI. There are altogether 8 image guidance options available to us. Each one of them is slightly different, but there are instances where you can use either one of these to achieve your similar desired outcome. So let's go through each one of them one by one. You can upload a reference image and Leonardo will generate something similar, either image to image as a creative interpretation of the original, or you have few more options. Number one, style reference. You can get Leonardo reference the style of the uploaded image to guide the new generation. Or content reference. Get Leonardo reference the form and content of the input image and guide the new generation based on that. Or you can do character references. This is useful to generate images in the same likeness of the provided reference image character. Then there are few more features that may or may not be available to you based on the time you are watching this and also based on the models that you have selected. Certain models only gives you one or two options in image guidance and others will be grayed out for you. But some models gives you the full feature set of image guidance when you are creating using that particular model. So here are the options. Depth to image. Duplicate the depth features of a source image and use them in your image generation. Edge to image. Detect the edges of an input image and use that to guide or create a new images. Then you can use pose to image. With this, you can transfer a pose from one image to your AI generated images. Text image input. We need to give an image with just black text on a white background, and Resolve will use that to guide the image generation. This is good to add text into your image generation that you are trying to create. And under this approach, it's usually far more accurate than trying to generate text based on the text prompts itself. To create a specific desired outcome, you can combine multiple image guidances. However, there are limitations as to how many image guidances you can use, and limitations and availability itself can vary with the model you have selected as well. So this can get a little bit tricky and complex fast. So this can lead to Leonardo AI feeling a little bit complex and vague at times. So to make things simple, we created a simplified guide on Leonardo AI along with everything you saw in this video. You can get it from the first link in the description. All of this and much more in-depth lessons are included in our community on School, and you are most welcome to join.